Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I'm bringing you another Wild Whisper design team project. You'll see me flipping through all these cards very quickly, all the new supplies that I got, but you can find all of these supplies on Wild Whisper's website before they sell out. Please go check them out in the link below if you're interested in any of these. I am featuring the newest collection, which is called Sweater Weather. And also, I've seen the Christmas collection in person, and I must say it is one of the best Christmas collections I've ever seen. So definitely get excited for that. I have two photos I want to scrapbook on this page, and they are from when I moved out of my college apartment. So I'm looking through some papers now. I pulled one from the World's Best collection, which is a new to me collection, but Wild Whisper released in the springtime. So I'm using this lock and key pattern as my background, and then you'll see me get creative with the pattern papers from the Sweater Weather collection. I would have loved to scrapbook some fall photos with this collection, but I still haven't gotten any printed. Since moving, it's been very hectic, but I've been making it work. So I cut one photo down to 4x4 and the other one's going to be 4x6. I like to work in these sizes for the most part. I never print my photos smaller than 4x6. I just don't like to deal with trying to do that. So this beautiful polka dot paper I'm going to create a circle out of, and since I do not have any cutting tools that would do that for me, I decided to get a bowl. This is the biggest bowl that I own in my apartment, and trace it out. Now you'll see that I am putting it somewhat in the middle, and that's because I do like to use the scraps of this, so when I cut it out there'll be a nice frame left. I like to use those as part of pages as well, so you'll be seeing probably a process video using that cutout soon. So I just freehand that circle on that trace line that I made, and then I set the other piece aside. And I will map my photos on some white cardstock and then another piece of pattern paper from the Sweater Weather collection, which is a dark gray. It does match the background paper very well, which has some blues, greens, and purples. So I'm also including this branding strip, which is from the lock and key paper that I just cut off. So like I said, these photos are from when I moved out of my college apartment after graduating. It was a very hectic day, but yeah, so I had managed to take some photos. This isn't all of the photos from that section of the day, but I did want to feature these two together. So I looked through the pocket page cards and didn't find any that I wanted to use, but what I did end up doing was going through my other set of pocket page cards from Wild Whisper from the Adventure collection and pulling out a bright green one, which matches the background paper very well, so you'll see me use that in two spots later on. Then I pull out some of my Wild Whisper stamps. This stamp set is from the No Place Like Home collection. The Wild Whisper stamps are absolutely beautiful. I love the quality of their stamps, and I really like how their collections coordinate with them so beautifully. But you can see here that I've mixed and matched several collections, and it is just working out perfectly since they're all from the same company. So I just stamped some of that on white cardstock, and now I'm going to trim it out with some scissors. Also, I'm still trying to figure out my filming setup. My desk seems to always be messy. I know a lot of people film on white desks and they have beautifully framed things and tend to have a beautiful clean desk around their workspace, but I just have stuff strewn everywhere and I'm still working on it. But if you have any suggestions, please let me know. This is the 3x4 pocket page card I was mentioning earlier. It's a bright green with a fade to white, so I decided to use that in two parts on my layout. I'm going to put this little circle down in the middle. If you have a cutting machine, these papers are perfect for backing die cut files. I see a lot of people doing that, and I wish I had a silhouette so I could try that out myself, but maybe one day. So I'm just going to layer these two photos like that in the center. And now I'm starting to think in the back of my mind about a title. I don't have a plan for that. So to avoid thinking about that any further, I decided to dive in some of the new wood veneer that I purchased from Wild Whisper. These X's are really cute. I like how they're not like crosses, like perfect X's. They're like little wonky X's. And after my video cut out there, I went through all of my sequins and pulled out a bunch from Spiegelmom Scraps, that designs for Wild Whispers, and I'm going to pull out those and put them all over my layout. I'm just going to glue these two photos down to the center like they were before, and then start gluing on the embellishments. So I have the little house that I created. I'm putting that on some foam adhesive, and I'll put that to the right of my photos. And I'm also using a couple other new things from the Wild Whisper shop that I've never purchased before, including some new sequin packs and these cork hearts. Spiegelmom Scraps provides some of these items to the Wild Whisper store, so definitely check them out. And in case you didn't know, Wild Whisper Designs is based in Canada. I know I do have some Canadian viewers, so if you're looking for a new store to shop in, Wild Whisper is definitely a great choice. Right now I'm going to start working on the title. I have these bright green thickers that I bought once, and they're the most atrocious color, I think. I hate this color, like lime green, not my favorite color. But I come up with a title, and I decided to name it, well, I originally wanted to name it One Last Time, and I realized I don't have the letters for that, so I eventually name it Final Exit, using just the green, bright green, tiny stickers. But that pretty much completes this layout. I'm also going to use a bunch of sequins from different Wild Whisper collections. I have the No Place Like Home sequins, Crushin' on Purple, Evergreen Bow, the Adventure sequins. There's a lot of sequins. Everything will be listed on the Wild Whisper blog in case you wanted to see more photos. I do have some photos at the end of this layout in case you want to see those, but definitely check out the blog for more details, and also check out all of the other design team projects. There are so many great projects made with these collections, and they're absolutely stunning. So definitely check those out, and until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you can get more videos. And thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!